Hello, this is IK Tutors, and we are doing a high school assessment. Our clients requested that we do question number 15, which is in the decimal section on how to read and round. So let's get started. The question states, write each decimal as a fraction. Okay, so we have A 0.7, and then we go on to all these numbers, right? So how do we do this? We're going to need to use the place value table. So if we take a look at the right of the screen, you'll see we wrote in the number that was given in value A, 0.7. Right. And remember how the place value works, right? So the 7 is in the 1/10th place, right? So that means we have 7 1/10ths, or 7 times 1/10. Okay, that's how it works. Because if you remember, let's do a quick example. If we have the number 25, right, where we have the 2 is in the tens place and the 5 is in the ones place, this is really telling us that we have two tens, or 2 times 10, which equals 20, plus 5 ones, or 5 times 1, which equals 5. When we add them up together, we get 25, right? So this system is exactly the same, but it continues to the right of the decimal place. So if we're in the 1/10th place, just like when we're in the 5 was in the ones, we have 5 ones. When in the 1/10th place, we have 7 1/10ths. That means we can multiply 7 times this place value, just like we did over here. We did 2 times this place value, 5 times this place value. Whatever digits there gets multiplied by its place value. So 7 is in the 1/10th place value. So multiply that 7 by the 1/10th. Now, there's some rules with fractions. If a fraction is involved in an equation, all the numbers have to be in fractional format. So we just put a 1 under here to take under the 7, take care of that. And then the rule about multiplying fractions is we multiply across the top and we multiply across the bottom. So 7 times 1 is 7. 1 times 10 is 10. And we have 7/10ths, which is the answer. We converted 0.7 into the fractional format of 7/10ths. So that's how you do it. You just write the decimal in its place value position, and then you determine what each digit is. Based on the last digit in the number, you determine what that is uh, based on the place value of the last digit. So let's do another one. Let's do B, where it's 0.051. You see that's written right here. This is B right here. And we look at the place value of the last digit. It's in the 1,000th place. So that means we're going to get this whole number, 51 times 1,000. We always go by the place value of the last digit. And we write that out. Let's say if this is A, we're doing B now. 51 times, what's the place value? 1,000th. So we're going to have that 1,000th there. And again, we have to make sure, since with fractions involved, we have to make sure that all the numbers are in fractional formats. We just put a 1 under the 51. And now, when we're multiplying fractions, the rule is we multiply across the top, multiply across the bottom. So 15 times 1 is, I'm sorry, 51 times 1 is 51. And 1 times 1,000 is 1,000. So our fraction is 51 thousandths. Right. And this is how we can continue to do all the decimals here and write them out in their fractional format, just by multiplying the digits by the last digit by its place value. So let's go ahead and finish up the others. So for this one, it was 51 thousandths. That's the answer for that one. This is the answer for this one. Let's go on to C now. C is 0.473. The number C is right here, right? And the last digit is 3, and it's in the thousands place, so it's going to be 473. Those are the digits, 473. But we go according to that. The denominator fraction is always going to be the place value, the denominator place value. So it's thousands, so it's 473 over 1,000. 473 over 1,000. That's the answer to C. For D, it's here, 0.27. The last digit is 7. The place value of that last digit is 1 over 100, or hundredths. So we're going to put 27 over that place value, which is 100. So it's 27 hundredths. Next one is E, where it's 5.37. Now, what do we do when we have a whole number there? It doesn't change. We leave the whole number as is, and we just write the fractional part. The decimal part, we convert it to a fraction and write it out. So it's going to be, what's the last position of, what's the digit? The place value of the last digit is 7. The place value is in a hundreds place, so it's going to be 3,700. So it's going to be 5 and 37 hundredths. All right, and finally, F, again, we have a whole number of 16, so we just leave that there. That doesn't change. And we write the decimal part as a fraction. So we, in the bottom here, bottom row, we have 16.49. The 9 is in the place value of 100th. So it's going to be 49 over that place value, 4,900. So it's going to be 16 and 49 hundredths. And that's our answer. So I hope this video helped. If it did, please remember to like and subscribe so we can continue providing these helpful videos. And I will see you in the next video. Have an amazing day.